What's going on, guys? It's Devin with Beard Code. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video if you enjoy all things beard content related. Guys, we are back and it is that time of the month again. Wait a minute, biology doesn't work like that. Hold on, guys, we are back with one of my favorite times of the month, and that is, of course, Beardbentō time. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Beardbentō, this is a company in which they provide a monthly subscription service. So every single month, you're going to get anywhere between 4 and 6 beard product samples, as well as one full-size product in the mail, and it's an absolute steal, guys. The Beardbentō is going to run for $20 a month plus shipping and taxes. So it's going to cost you about 25 bucks, right around there. And then, of course, you're going to get, like I said, the 4 to 6 beard samples as well as the one full-size product. Now, in typical beard oil is going to run you about $15 on the market, plus a few dollars for taxes and then, of course, shipping. So let's just say an average beard oil is going to run you about 18 to 20 bucks. Okay, now just that price alone, the Beardbentō pays for itself right there. Now, Beardbentō is run by a really awesome guy named Alex out of Tampa, Florida, and each month Alex does an incredible job of including a vast variety of products, everything from oils, balms, butters. There have been washes, there's been soap in there, as well as other various grooming tools included in bento boxes from previous months. But he just does a really good job of giving you guys a lot of different products from a ton of different companies, maybe some that you've never gotten a chance to try out before and others that you might not have heard of. That's one of the really cool things about the Beardbentō box is it's going to introduce you to maybe products or scent profiles or companies that you've never gotten a chance to try, that you've maybe seen and heard of, or maybe you just haven't pulled the trigger on. Anything like that, it's going to introduce you to the really cool companies and the products that they have to offer. Therefore, with that said, I would recommend the Beardbentō box to anyone who is a beginner in the beard game and is wanting to try out some products for the first time without having to spend too much money and running the risk of maybe not liking a product or not liking the scent profile, as well as anyone who's been a part of the beard game for a while and you're just looking to maybe venture out and try some new products and kind of get a cool surprise every month, and you might find that you might get introduced to a company that you've never tried or never even heard of. For those of you guys who are not familiar with Beardbentō or are wondering maybe where the name came from, it is a playoff of a traditional Japanese style lunch known as a bento box. Now, a bento box is a lunch for Japanese kids, and while they were at school, their parents would prepare really small portions of a whole bunch of different foods and throw it into their lunchbox with the aim to give them a well-rounded nutrition and diet, so of course, while they're at school. Now, the Beardbentō, like I said, is simply a playoff of the bento box, and in which Alex just includes various small portions or samples of a whole bunch of different beard products, so that way you guys can test them out and see what you guys like. Like I mentioned earlier, the Beardbentō time is always one of my favorite times every month because it's like a really cool surprise that you get in your mailbox. You never really know what to expect, what products are coming, anything like that. So when this shows up every month, it's a really neat surprise, and I look forward to it to figure out what's going to be inside the box each month. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the products in this month's Beardbentō. So as you guys can see here with the Beardbentō box, it does come in a really neat box, really cool packaging with the labels. So I do really like that. It does come with a pull tab over here on this side, so it makes it really easy to open. Let's go ahead and jump into this month's box for you guys. And here's what the box looks like inside. So you guys can see there is that nice card up front. And it says, "Thank you and welcome to this month's exhibit. Sincerely, the curator." And then, of course, he has his social media handles for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And it does have a few instructions down at the bottom for you guys. If you guys can see that, it does ask you guys to open it up, snap a picture, and then share it to his various social media sites, which I think is something that's really cool. Now, in the box, we do have a little Beardbentō pouch, and that does have a whole bunch of the business cards, always of the companies that are going to be inside this month's box. Inside the pouch, we do have, of course, the Beardbentō card. On the back side, it has contact information for the company as well as the owner. First card we have is from Beard the Men. And then on the back side, it has a little bit of information there. Bay Area Beard Company is up next. You guys can see that one there. And of course, some contact information and stuff like that on the back side here. And then lastly, there is a Bay Area Beard Company sticker. I love stickers, so when these are included, that's always a plus for me. And underneath that pouch, as you guys can see, there are the products and everything in there. One really neat thing about the Beardbentō is every month there is always some sort of candy or something like that included. And so this is the candy that we have for this month. It is typically a Japanese candy, something that's just really cool, I think, and a nice little neat touch, especially for it to be called the Beardbentō, kind of throwing that little food element, something that I think is really, really cool. So like I said, we do have the Hello Panda, looks like some chocolate cookies. So there's that. First, we do have a comb, and that is from Ferocious Beard Company. This is a nice, really cool wooden comb, so I'm interested to test that out and see that. I have not tried Ferocious Beard Company. I do have some products from them on the way, but I haven't gotten a chance to try them yet. Next up, we do have a little tin here, again from Ferocious, and that is a little sample of beard butter. And it is the Rio Grande beard butter. So really excited to try that out as well. Next up, we have, looks like an oil here from the 10th Kingdom Beard Company. And then back here, it does have a little label and it says that it is the wolf's bone. I'm assuming that's probably the scent profile. So we do have a little oil sample there for you guys. We have another sample, an oil. It is just a little dram sample. I'm assuming that this is probably from Beardbentō. I'm not 100% sure because it doesn't have anything labeled there on the sample, but I'm assuming that's what this one is. Next up, we have a full-size oil from Voodoo Men's Craft. Really cool artwork there that you guys can see. Really, really neat labeling. And this is the Baron scent. So really awesome that there's a full-size product in there. And lastly, we have an absolutely awesome product here, and this is from Bay Area Beard Co. It is the Biblical. And as you guys can see, that packaging is absolutely incredible. Go ahead and open this up here. And inside we have another full-size oil for you guys. Absolutely awesome, incredible, incredible packaging. That is definitely a package that I'm going to hang on to and keep within my beard collection just because I think this looks incredible. The rest of the box, as you guys can see, is just kind of stuffing, so nothing left in there. But let's go ahead and open up some of these products, give them a quick sniff, and see what they're like. So first, with the Ferocious Beard Company and the little butter, it is, like I said, in a little tin here. Not 100% sure what the size is on this one. It looks like maybe a 1 ounce. That is a really, really nice scent. A little bit of citrus in there. I wonder if it has a scent profile on here. And it says a Ferocious Original Rio Grande Beard Butter with subtle notes of lime and lavender, deeply conditions and softens your beard. 100% natural, of course. And then really, really cool, it does have a code down there to save 20% if you guys wanted to test out the company after getting it in the Beardbentō. So I really, really like this scent, a nice clean citrusy scent, so that's one that I'm looking forward to trying out. Next up, we have the sample from 10th Kingdom Beard Company. Again, like I said, it is in that Wolf's Bane scent. I'm not at all sure what the scent profile is on this one, but we'll go ahead and see what it smells like here. Right away, I get leather out of this and a little bit of sweetness, almost like a vanilla maybe. Yeah, I'll have to look up 10th Kingdom Beard Company. I've never heard of this company and see what the scent profile is on this one, but definitely a nice scent that I think I will enjoy. Next up is, of course, the Voodoo Men's Craft, like I said earlier, in the Baron scent. So we'll go ahead and rip the packaging and plastic off this one. Now, I have not tried Voodoo Men's Craft yet, so I'm pretty excited for this one to kind of test this one out. And this one is very, very nice. It doesn't say a scent profile, I don't think, on here. But this one is really, really good. I like this a lot. A little bit of spice in there, smells like maybe. I'm not 100% sure, like I said, on the scent profile, but I'm really excited for that because I've been wanting to try Voodoo for a little bit now. We do have, of course, the little sample and the dram here from the Beardbentō company. That's a company I have not heard of before, so I'm not sure what products they offer or anything like that, but I am excited to maybe give this one a test. So, like I said, it does come with a little dram there with a little label and logo on front. Now this one, I can't really smell too much out of this one, so I'm not quite sure what the scent profile is. It does come with a little restrictor top, which is really, really cool. So interested to kind of maybe smell this one. I can't really smell it too much with the restrictor top on there, but we'll go ahead and test this one out and let you guys know for sure. Last up is, of course, the Bay Area Beard Company Biblical Beard Oil. This is, again, another 1 ounce oil. We'll go ahead and give this one a sniff here. And this one smells like a little chocolate in there. It smells honestly like a chocolate chip cookie. That's really what it smells like. Yeah, this one smells really, really good. I am really, really excited about this one. To me, this oil right here made the entire box well worth it. This one is absolutely incredible. I really, really like this one. And this is a company that I've been wanting to try, because of the packaging. As you guys can see there, that is some incredible, incredible packaging. I love when beard oils come with little boxes or, you know, little cans or something like that. I think it just adds a little touch to it, and I think it's an awesome, awesome touch and a really, really neat thing for beard oil. So, but this one is well worth it, I think, in my opinion, for this month's box. So that is all of the products that came in this month's Beardbentō box. I will go ahead and leave a link down below to the company's website if you guys want to go ahead and head over there and check out Beardbentō for yourself and maybe get yourself signed up for the monthly subscription service. I would highly recommend it. Like I said, it is an awesome service, and I really enjoy some of the products that I've gotten from the Beardbentō boxes in previous months. Down below, be sure to go ahead and let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite product was from this month's Beardbentō box. If you guys have gotten the box yourself, be sure to let me know what you guys think of these products. And if you haven't, let me know if you guys are interested in checking out Beardbentō for yourself. Now, with all that said, don't forget, stay fresh, stay clean, and never break beard code. I'll see you guys in the next one.